Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact SAB customer services. So first, what you're going to do is get to the official website of this SEB. Then what we are going to do is scroll down a little bit and you will see right here for private customers. Now what we need to do is look here on the left, contact us. So we have few options. One is via virtual advisor. Then we have write a message in internet bank, book a meeting, also call us, and in social media. So let's say we want to call them, and right here we have a few options. So we can chat with them. Then we have here customer support numbers, and then we have also basically the time when they are available. Then we have here send a message via internet bank. We can do also that. And yeah, what we can also do is book a meeting with them right here. As you can see, if I click on that, you will need to put some information about you, what you want and how you want it. And yeah, you will proceed all the way to the end, and then they will contact you. They will give you the meeting time, and yeah, you will be in contact with them. Now we also have some advisor. So we have mortgages, leasing, client executives, and private banking also right here. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Straightforward. They have really almost on the official web page at the first page these contacts, so you can't miss. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.